This mix of crispy fish with green rice powder, herbs and lemon juice will create a unique and exceptional salad. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by slicing half a lemongrass. Remove the little end and the first leaf, which are hard. Then chop them. Mince a shallot. Cut a quarter of paper into chunks. Also cut a quarter of green apple that will bring acidity and crunchiness. Cut the iceberg salad leaf into chunks. Mince the spring onion, the gogai, and the cilantro. Remove the mint leaves from their stem. Cut them roughly. Grind the green sticky rice into powder. I invite you to watch my video about how to make green sticky rice. This powder will add an exceptional flavor to this dish. Remove the fish's head. Cut them into 4 pieces. Make slits to make the fish really crispy after cooking. Wipe them with paper towels to remove the water. Fry them at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Flip them halfway through cooking. Remove them and let them cool for 5 minutes. The fish pieces are really crispy. Break them into small chunks. It's not necessary to remove the bones. They can be easily eaten. Now mix the salad. Add the salt, the fish sauce, the lemon juice, the lemongrass, the shallot. Then mix. Add the green rice powder. Mix. Add the pepper, the green apple, the salad. Mix. Finally put the herbs and mix. The crispy fish salad is ready. Serve with jasmine or sticky rice. When you eat this salad, you feel an explosion of flavors. The taste of fried fish, the grilled rice, and the herbs complemented by the acidity of lemon and the crunchy green apple. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.